Imagine two people, Alex and Jordan. Alex starts investing at age 20, Jordan starts at age 30. They both invest the same amount of money. But by retirement, Alex ends up with almost double. How is that possible? Today, we're breaking down why starting young is the single most powerful advantage you'll ever have in investing. Even if you're broke, even if you don't understand the stock market yet, and even if you can only invest a few dollars a week. When you're young, your biggest advantage isn't money, it's time. In investing, time works like a multiplier. It turns small amounts into big amounts, and big amounts into life-changing amounts. This happens because of something called compound growth. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he actually said that doesn't matter. What matters is that he was right. Imagine a snowball at the top of a hill. Every roll adds a little more snow. But the bigger the snowball gets, the faster it grows. Your money works exactly the same way. Let's say you invest $100. You earn a 10% return. Now you have $110. Next year, you don't just earn interest on the original $100, you earn interest on the $110. So instead of making another $10, you make $11, then 12, then 14, then 20. And eventually, the growth becomes exponential. This is why time matters more than how much money you start with. Let's go back to Alex and Jordan. Alex starts at 20, investing $100 per month until age 60. That's 40 years. Jordan starts at 30, investing the same $100 per month until age 60. That's 30 years. Assuming a 10% average stock market return, Alex ends up with about $585,000. Jordan ends up with about $318,000. Same contribution, same monthly amount, same investments. The only difference? Alex had more time. This is why waiting 10 years doesn't cost you 10 years. It can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Here's the part nobody tells you. You don't need a lot of money to start. What matters is building the habit, building the muscle, and giving your money the chance to grow. Even $5 a week is enough to begin. What matters is that you're in the game early. Starting small is better than starting big later. Investing young isn't only about getting rich, it's about buying freedom. Freedom to choose the job you want. Freedom to take a break without stressing about money. Freedom to retire earlier. Freedom to avoid debt. Freedom to say no to things that don't serve you. When you invest early, the future version of you is thanking you for giving them options. Investing isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about building a life where money works for you, instead of the other way around. If you're young and just starting out, here's a simple roadmap. Step 1, learn the basics: stocks, ETFs, index funds. Step 2, automate small monthly contributions. Step 3, don't panic when the market drops. Step 4, keep adding a little over time. Step 5, be patient. Investing is not gambling. Investing is not day trading. Investing is not trying to get rich quick. Investing is ownership, buying shares in companies that grow over years and decades. If you forget everything else from this video, remember this one idea. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today, not next year, not when you have more money, not when things calm down. Start small, start simple, start now. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing content. And let me know in the comments. At what age did you start thinking about investing?